Brace yourself for what is truly mind-boggling. If the verses are this tightly connected down to the number of words, with the first verse having 19 words and the second verse also having 19 words, why not also count the letters of the verses? There are two methods to counting the letters. The first is called method A in my book and is based on grammar rules, while the second I called method B and is based on Quran writing. Using method B, in the first verse, we find that there are exactly 83 letters. Then when we look at the second verse, we are stunned to find them also a total of exactly 83 letters. This is miraculously perfect mathematical harmony. But just in case one may accuse us of being selective here, by not using the other counting method, we go ahead and also count using the method A and find that the first verse has exactly 86 letters, and the second verse also has exactly 86 letters. Either way, they are an exact match. And keep in mind that these are the only verses in the Quran that mention thunder. Words cannot describe our amazement. This is simply impossible and beyond human capacity. But before we get over these mind-boggling findings, we learn even more. Keeping all of this in mind, does this mean that the verses will also match in other ways? Looking at the letters of the word thunder in Arabic, Ra'd, we find that they appeared in the first verse, i.e. chapter 2, verse 19, a total of 9 times. Then when we look at the repetitions of these letters in the second verse, we are stunned that there too they repeated a total of exactly 9 times. Subhanallah. Subhanallah, this is breathtaking and miraculously, undeniably beyond human capacity. This is simply impossible. How can the only 2 verses in the Quran that mention thunder and are different and in different chapters both have exactly the same number of words each and have exactly the same number of letters each, and the letters of the word that unites them, thunder, repeated exactly 9 times in each? This alone defeats all doubt. Yet the miraculous in the Quran is endless, so we are not surprised to learn that there is always more. In a previous video, we saw how chapter 1 in the Quran is called the mother of the Quran and is tightly connected with the rest of the Quran. When we check the number of times the letters of the word thunder, Ra'd, appear in chapter 1, there are 18 repetitions. But what is 18? Amazingly, 18 is the number of times the letters of this word, thunder, in Arabic, Ra'd, appear in the only 2 verses that mention thunder in the Quran. Subhanallah, the mathematical harmony is endless.